Yeah, I just picked up this new ScanGauge 3 for my 2003 Promaster camper van because I want to protect the transmission. So I'm going to set it up today, see how it goes. I'm not a professional, so if I get things wrong, don't worry. I'm sure you can figure it out. So let's go! Just got the ScanGauge 3. Let's see what's in the box. We have a quick start guide, very important help card, connection cable, a mount, magnets for the mount instruction guide, alcohol wipes, and the display monitor. It looks like you need a screwdriver to get this cover open to hook up the ScanGauge into the van's computer. We'll see. Never done this before. Not a professional. Just a normal guy trying to keep his van safe. Oh, hang on. I don't think I need to open that. That's a fuse box. I think the connector's right down here. Let's see. I believe that is the connector right there. Is it in? Okay, I got the gauge here. I gotta turn the car on. I'm not gonna start it, just gonna turn it on. I got it plugged into the OBD connector. I think that's what it's called. It says plug it in, start the car, and then plug this in. Let's see what happens. Yeah, nothing. Must not. Oh, no, there it comes. It started up, says accept. Hopefully you can see this. Would you like to no. Don't ask again. It says to go to more, setup. Let's go to units first. Celsius, kilometers, liters, dollar, liters per 100, yes, on. Okay, now I'll go back to vehicle. Tank size, 91 liters. 3.6. Gas. Wi-Fi updates. Let's try that. Check for updates. It's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. Let's see if it gets it. Yes. I'm going to go to the latest version, I guess. That's what I would do. It's only one version up on what it is. It says download complete, restarting device. This is just the initial setup. I'll have to figure out what I actually want the gauges set to. I guess you can change the brightness this way. That's 100% brightness. Do auto scan. Select your vehicle. Select. Start scan. Okay, we want the engine temperature. I should select all. I just select all. Save. Change alert sound. Oh boy. I like that one. That's how you do it. You gotta select it and then select what you want to be displayed. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what I want displayed. That's good enough for now. Gauge. Right there. Let's start her up, see what happens. Okay. Next we're gonna have to take it for a drive and see what happens. Okay, I got the cable run already. I got my mount on. I mounted on the dash. I think it's gonna stay there because I have a screen here. And if I put it on the window, it's gonna block my screen. Blackout screen. So I'm gonna plug in the cable. I got the magnet mounted on the back of here, so it sticks on here just like that. I put some foam under here so it doesn't rattle. Plug it in. why it comes up. I haven't even turned anything on yet. I'm going to turn the car on. I already set this up once, but I got some specs here from Kip, a Promaster only YouTube channel. He's supposed to be a guru for Promasters. I'm going to start it anyway, see what happens. Let's see if this thing comes up. Just go to my gauges and show you what I have. I'm going to change these to Kip's recommendations. Oil temp alarm. He has his at 220. So I'm going to set that at 220. Save. Transmission temp, he has at 190. Save. I think you can only do 6. So let's change that one. Coolant temperature. We're going to coolant temperature. 220. Save. It has oil pressure alarm. I'll put that here. Select. I don't see it here. Maybe it's in here. Why don't we have oil pressure? I'm going to get out of here. Go to more. Let's do another scan, see what happens. That X gauge, do an auto scan. Dodge Chrysler, select, start scan. Oil pressure, we have it. Save, select all. Save. Okay, now I'll go back to gauge. Set up monitors. It should show up now. We'll do this one. Oil pressure. See, it wasn't there last time. I'm going to set it at 60. Save. And he has below too. Below 20. Save. So I got oil pressure above, oil pressure, hopefully you can see that, below. I'm going to do the slip at 250. Yeah, that's what I think he wrote. Okay, I'm going to leave that, save. Now I got to go to my displays. Monitor. Go back here, gauge. Get oil, get rid of this one. We'll put oil pressure. Oh, I think it's under here. Oil pressure. Select. Torque converter slip. We're going to do coolant temperature. Coolant temperature. Select RPM. Let's put that here. Engine RPM. Select. Let's go to 2. Change this one to catalytic heater. Catalytic cat temperature. 1 and 2. We'll just put 2. Select. We'll do Cadillac 1. Select. Okay, we're going to go for a drive and see what happens. I'm going to move RPM over here. Engine RPM. And this one is slip. I think that's in gauge. Torque converter slip. We have 2 coolant temperatures. the battery in there. Battery voltage. Okay. That's good enough for now. Step 1, 2, 7. There. That's and it's Fahrenheit. Okay, now we got it in Fahrenheit. Okay, just leaving the house now. See, it's slipping right now. Don't get it. Still kind of cold. Transmission temperature is 77. Yeah. Torque slip. I set the alarm on the torque converter slip to 250. I got an alarm once, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. Here we go. Torque converter slip from 2 to 3. It wasn't heavy on the pedal. Anybody else has any ideas how this thing should be operating, please let me know. I'm going to go down 401 so we can get this thing over 100 kilometers an hour. And we never go over 7th gear, ever. Turning back on the Highbury. Head back home. See if we slip now. Why, why? Wasn't hard on the pedal. Okay, that's it. Training temperature's up now. I wonder how high it's going to get.